On board Disney Cruise Line ships, you will experience the same level of detail, imagination, and fun as you can find in their theme parks. The highlight feature on Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy, the AquaDuck, delivers a fun twist on the typical water slides found on many cruise ships today. AquaDuck is part Aqua Coaster, part Lazy River, and 765 feet of pure wet with a little wild fun. Starting from within the ship's aft funnel, guests board their two-person raft and head several feet off the side of the ship, then whip around before reaching the first water jet that blasts the raft through a downward sloping section of transparent tube. A second water jet propels the raft through the forward funnel before the more leisurely return trip that gives you a great view of the deck below and ocean or ports of call all around. A final ride around and through the aft funnel, and you're just below the spot where you started, ready to do it all over again. The AquaDuck experience comes alive at nighttime with the flash and glow of lights throughout the ride. The ride is free and open to guests 42 inches and taller, with single riders required to be at least 54 inches. Lines can quickly reach over an hour on busy sea days. The best time to ride is as soon as it opens in the morning, during dinner and show hours, and when the ship is docked in port.